Okay, so we dumped out all the water on the potatoes. So here's the potatoes. We're gonna just basically let the butter and the potatoes mix. Oh, it's a mess. Okay. So just do this for a while. Taste it as you go. Okay. And then here I'm just gonna mix these in. Like this. And because the potatoes were still hot, they take care of the butter easily. So, again, taste it as you're going. I have a spoon here really quick. I can find one. So definitely need some more salt. And just keep mixing it. Slow. And those are basically your potatoes, so just keep doing that.